Just sitting here planning out the day, listening to Italian 70s prog rock. I'm feeling all kinds of feels today. Man, my back hurts so bad. Being on my feet at the voting place yesterday, this is being filmed right now on Wednesday, hurt so bad I could hardly move. I didn't even want to get out of bed. It just... Last year when I was trying to straighten out a large branch from a tree that was cut in half from a storm at my mom's, and pulling it backwards, and I tripped over some landscaping brick. I landed right in the middle of this landscape thing that my brother had built. I had giant bruises on both sides, and I had to sit there for a minute and regroup before I got up, and I kept thinking, did I break anything? I hope not. I don't think so. It's possible I might have fractured a tiny, thin little hairline fracture. It's possible. But I can't afford to go to a doctor or anything like that. Had a couple scares in the last year. One where my blood pressure went really sky high. Another one where I thought I had blood poisoning, but it was just superficial blood clot in my leg. And that was an ordeal. Yes, it's been, what, a week now almost? No, it's been several days since the cabinet door fell off the medicine chest, and I need to get that done, and I need to go through all that and throw the outdated stuff away. I need to get a fire under my butt. Okie dokie, how do we do this? Very carefully. Please don't drop. I don't need any bad luck. I have enough. Oh my God, this is so difficult. This is crazy. Alright, now I just have to tighten it up. Don't move, door. Don't move. Ta-da! Me and my muscles. Yeah. Now basically it's going through all that stuff in there, the medicine chest thingy, and all this crap on here. The physically hard part is over. Now comes just regular drudge work. going through and throwing expired things away, whittling it down to see what goes and what stays before I move to the next room. I have a lot of cassettes and cassette tapes, but I might do something with that. I don't know. I probably will. But there's costumes and bits and pieces and theater makeup and stuff. Some of it is 40 years old, so it's going to go. And hey, look who came! Come here, you. He came to look out the window, didn't you? It's an afternoon delight there. He just wondered what was going on, what all the slamming was about. Oh, you want to go in the window? I know you don't like the tripod. I know it. I know it. You're fine. Well, I better get to doing stuff. And the next room will be the one I have most of the books and cloth and craft stuff in. And I kind of have an idea of basically what I'm going to take. And we'll have to ask theater groups or people at random on Facebook, do they want it for free, the stuff I'm giving away. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Mr. Stinkerbutt in the window. Mr. Stinkerbutt in the window. That's his afternoon ritual. He gets to guard the outside world from the window. And I shall see thee on another day. Upward and onward.